What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. And this one's gonna be a nice lovely unboxing. As you can see, AirPods Pro. I might be a little late, but since I grabbed these on sale, Black Friday from Amazon, might as well, unboxing for you guys. And you already know how my channel get down. Real versus fake, coming soon. But let's unbox these joints. As you can see, comes with this little tab. Satisfying. But yeah, give me a little plastic tab to help you peel that plastic off. And here are the AirPods. The wireless charging case. Peep that serial number, guys. Peep it. These ain't no foo-foos. But you'll learn why I said that in the next video. Let's pop the top. Nice, secure. Already. Designed by Apple and Cali. £5. What's this? You know, instructions. I won't need them, but I'll show them to you guys. Tell you how to connect them. Bluetooth. You know, the whole nine. Get that out the way. All that, and 1 year warranty. Yes, sir. But throw this to the side. Let's get to what you really want to see. Yes, sir. What else will come with that? Guys, oh, check that out. Different size ear tips. Cool. And USB-C charger, as you can see right there. USB-C. I don't have anything USB-C, so I'll be charging them either wirelessly or with the normal lightning cable. But let's bust these joints out the plastic. Slide right out. Yes, sir. Up close look. These are the real deals. No foo-foo around here. Give you a nice up close look. Yes, sir. See up top, says the serial number, model number, all that good clean text. These are the AirPods look like. It's the left one. Focus. Not really gonna focus. The text so small, but it pretty much just says Apple text on there. Serial number and stuff. Same thing with the right one. Clean. Try to focus. There we go. Yeah, very clean. Left, right. All right, now I'm pairing my phone. Alright, first time pairing my AirPods. As you can see, AirPods Pro. Let's tap to connect. Connecting. Cool animation, media control. Teach you how to work them. Noise control. You just hold on either AirPod, switch between noise cancellation and transparency, and you can see it from the control center. Let's hit skip on that. I can set up Pay Siri with them, but I barely use Siri anyway, so not now. Announce messages. I'll set it up later. You see, there's AirPods number 2 because this is my second pair of AirPods, so you know. Okay, I'm going to settings. As you see, they have different modes. With this off, I can hear all the background noise, like so if I'm talking to somebody or if I'm walking outside, I need to hear, somebody honking or a siren going by. That's perfect. Transparency mode is you pretty much don't have anything in your ears. It picks up all the background audio and brings it through the headphones. So it's pretty cool. And of course, noise cancellation. It blocks out all the outside noise, so you pretty much hear nothing but your music. So that's the best way to listen to my music anyway, especially if you want to be uninterrupted. But they have different settings to press and hold on the AirPods. Noise control Siri. I'll leave all that the same. They have an ear fit tip test. So it's pretty much, it'll test the fit of the ear tips. As you can see in the video, I had the small and the large tips that it came with. And that just pretty much just gives you the best sound experience for your AirPod Pros. So pretty cool. Right now, I continue and try it. So I'm just playing music right now. But I'm doing it in real time. Just music in my ears. But anyways, yeah, that'll do that. I don't know how long the test is, but automatic ear detection, you know what that is. So you just put it in your ear, and music will play. You take it out your ear, music will stop. Optimized battery charging. Yeah, certain number version. And that's pretty much all the settings to it. So I guess I have to update them because apparently it's something new called spatial audio. So I'll update them and then for you guys in on that feature. But apparently that's a new feature with the AirPod Pros, spatial audio, where it's like if you turn your head a certain direction, the music will change which way you turn your head. It's pretty cool. But well, that was the unboxing of the AirPod Pros with the charging case. 100% authentic, real deals. But like I said before, real versus fake coming in the next video, so stay tuned. Like, comment, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. But until next time, guys, I'm gone.